Hey homeowners, I'm Kyle Moss, a professional electrician and the owner of the Honest Electrician Incorporated. Today, I'll show you the essential electrical tools every homeowner should have for basic household electrical work. Whether you're replacing a light switch, installing an outlet, or troubleshooting minor issues. Section 1. Safety first. Before we dive into the tools, let's talk about safety, the most important part of any electrical work. Always treat the circuit you are working on as if it was energized. Respect electricity, insulated gloves and safety glasses. Protect yourself from shocks and debris getting into your eyes. Voltage tester. Always check if a circuit is live before touching any wires. A non-contact voltage tester is a must-have for homeowners. Alright, now let's get into the tools. Section 2. Basic electrical tools. 1. Screwdrivers. Flathead, Robertson, Phillips, and multi-bit. Essential for tightening or loosening terminal screws on outlets, switches, and panels. A multi-bit screwdriver is highly versatile. 2. Needle nose pliers. Ideal for bending, gripping, and twisting wires, especially in tight spaces. 3. Linesman pliers. Strong, heavy-duty pliers for cutting and twisting wires during connections. 4. Side cutter pliers, diagonal cutting pliers, designed for precise wire cutting. Sharp, angled edges can also cut nails and small screws. 5. Wire strippers, essential for removing insulation without damaging wires. Also useful for shortening small machined screws. 6, 32, 8, 32. 6. Multimeter measures voltage, continuity, and resistance. Key for diagnosing electrical issues. Section 3. Extra handy tools. 1. Electrical tape insulates exposed wires, secures connections, and labels wires. 2. Wire nuts and connectors. Secure wire connections and prevent shorts. 3. Work light or headlamp essential for working in dark areas. 4. Circuit tester. Quickly checks if an outlet is wired correctly and functioning. Some models help locate circuit breakers. 5. Tape measure ensures precise measurements for cutting wires, pipes, drywall, and other materials. 6. Hammer used for securing cable staples, mounting boxes, and general adjustments. And that's it, your basic electrical toolkit for homeowners. With these tools, you can safely handle minor electrical work around your home. Need professional help? Contact the Honest Electrician Incorporated for expert service. Like and subscribe for more electrical tips. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to electrical tool?